I finally tried a massage gun. Yo, welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, this video has been 3 years in the making. All right, so I'm sure if you're watching this, you're very familiar with one of these bad boys, a massage gun. They've been pretty popular for the last few years, and I actually got one for Christmas 3 years ago, and I actually just opened it about a week ago and tried it for the very first time. So it's weird because this is one of them pieces of equipment that I've always wanted, but just never tried it. Right? I didn't even buy it for myself. Like I said, I got this as a Christmas gift 3 years ago. So I went 3 years and I just cracked this open. All right. So, and I was excited to hell to do so. I just, just took forever, whatever. Right. So this is one I got. It's from Everlast. I will try to find one. I will try to find this one and I will link it in the description. Obviously, you can probably get one just like this from Amazon. But like I said, you can check it out for yourself after this video. All right. So this one that I got, you can see it comes with 4 different attachments. All right. And I actually show you. They got a nice little box. I like the way they did this, right? You open the box up, right? You open it like let me show you. You open it like this, boom, right? Open up. It's not, God damn it. It's nice how this open up, man. That's slick. All right, so in the box, I already took everything out right here, but you get a nice little charging cord. You get a nice manual. I like this manual because it's real short. You know what I'm saying? Straight to the damn point. All right. And I really didn't even read it that much. So give you a nice little foam thing. You could always put your gun in there, whatever, when you ain't using it. So let's get to the actual massage gun itself. And so here's what I got right here. This is what it looked like. All right. I already got one of the attachments in there. So they give you this attachment. And I think this is the most popular one right here. They give you like the little ball one. They give you the 2-prong right there. And they give you this one right here, right? I think this is like the deep penetration, some shit, whatever. You look for yourself. But anyway, so I'm just going to show you real quick how to use it. Honestly, so far, this is my favorite attachment right here. All right. So you see right here, there's a little button on the back, right? This is actually where you charge it as well. It's a little charging port, right? When you get this, they tell you to charge it before you use it. So I charged this for like 3 hours before I turned it on. All right. So anyway, all you do is you hold the button in and you see that bad boy is on. You can hear it. Right? Boom. So I think a lot of people, honestly, I would like to use this on my back, but it's hard to use it on yourself. So I need to have my wife, she need to get her shit together and start doing her man's back, right? Because that's why I really want to use it. But I've been using it on my shoulder, right? Because if you've been following my channel, which I don't know if you have or not, but like I had shoulder surgery a year ago and it's still a little tight. So last couple of days, I've actually been using this on my shoulder, just like this. I sit just like this, right? I have a YouTube video on watching something. And I'm just like, and it feels good, right here. This is how I use it, right? I hold it on, move it around, just like this, right? This is how I use it. Now you see people use it all different types of ways, before workouts, after workouts. Hell, some people probably use it during workouts. I usually just kind of do it after a workout. You know what I'm saying? Like at night when I'm just chilling. And then what I'll do is I'll do the other shoulder too while I'm at it, right? This is how I use it, right? Somebody else might be like, no, man, you ain't using this shit right. Hey, this is how I use it. It feel good, right? You know what I mean? You can move it around. Yeah. Hold it on there. This feel good. Now this right here is like level 1, right? They got multiple levels. I only went up to level 2. So all you do is just hit that Button again. You can hear that shit faster now. I don't know if you can hear it or not, right? But this one level 2 cool too. Like I think they got like 6 levels. I can't imagine 6, man. This might go through my shoulder level 6. I don't know. But this right here level 2 feel good, right? And I know a lot of people, you can use this all over. You know what I'm saying? It's a damn massager. So let me stand up on you. Like you can do your legs. Let me back up, right? You can do your legs, right? Hold on, right? You can do here. This feel good right here too. Look, damn it. Yeah, this feel good. But like my thighs is cool. Like I feel like I don't really, you know what I'm saying? Let me see if you can do the back. Do the hamstrings. Oh shit. Oh, that feel good. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, this feel good. Damn. Yeah. While I'm at it, let me hit the other ones. Yeah, this right here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yo. Let me get my shit back together. All right, let me turn this back off. To turn it off, I'm all up on you. I almost went through the screen and shit. All right, to turn it off, just hold the button in and it's off. To switch these, real easy. I guess I'm doing this right. You just pull it out, right? Hold on. Oh, damn. Hold on. Hold on. How does this thing come out? Hold on. Oh, there you go. You got to put a little muscle in it, right? If you want to switch it, right? You know what I'm saying? You just right there, put it in like that. Boom. You right back at it. All right. I think this is the most popular. You know what I'm saying? I think most people probably use the ball, but I like that little flat circle one, to be honest with you. Just to show you like it wasn't stuck in there and pull this out. I just ain't want to break it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no bitch. I just, here's the one I had in. Put it back in, just like that, right? Could turn on and pull it right back out. You just gotta put a little muscle in, that's all. So yeah, like the first time using this, very, very impressed. I'm definitely going to continue to use this, especially on them damn hamstrings. Like that felt really, really good. Like I said, I need to talk to my woman. Like it felt good me doing it, but having somebody else to do this, man, that's it right there. Have somebody do that for you, you know what I'm saying, 15, 20 minutes a day. Shit, you got it made. All right. Now, real quick, what else I was gonna say? Oh yeah, as far as power, how long you can run this, it says you can go 2 hours straight with this. Right? 2 hours, that's a long ass time. So yeah, dope. Far as price, who the hell knows? I've seen these for like between like under 30 bucks. Some obviously you can get more fancy, more attachments, 60, $70. But this one I believe probably be between 25 and $30. Like I said, I'll look for it on Amazon and I'll put, if not this one, something very, very similar with the same attachments, all that shit. I'll put a link so you can check it out for yourself. All right. But far as I'm concerned, I rock with the massage gun. I might do some more videos talking about this, man, because I am very, very, very happy that I finally used one of these.